and welcome to Motor Match Blackburn. My name is Chloe and today I'm really excited to present you with this Mini Cooper hatch, which is a 1.5 petrol engine and is finished in a beautiful grey colour. If you are interested throughout the video, please do contact us on 01254 868 216. I'm going to start by giving you a 360 walk around about this stunning vehicle and then talk a little bit more about the interior. So starting off, we've got the very striking LED headlights with closed rings as daytime driving lights, so it gives you the visibility that you need on every journey. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the 17-inch John Cooper Works Track Sport black alloy wheels, which look incredible out on the roads and really do pull it apart from any other Mini Cooper on the road. We have got the black exterior door mirrors, which are also electrically adjustable, perfect for the driver's convenience. Moving on into the bike, you'll be able to sit two passengers comfortably and spaciously as they sit back and relax in the cloth sport seats. You do have ISOFIX points, so you won't have to worry about your little ones being safe in the bag, as well as added cup holders. This particular Mini Cooper hatch benefits from the John Cooper Works Aerodynamic kit, what includes the rear spoiler, what adds an instant impression to this Mini, and it also really adds the sporty feeling to this vehicle. Moving on into the boot, the manual boot opening is really accessible and really easy to open. But once open, it definitely does not disappoint within the size for a Mini Cooper. You've got a perfect size for your belongings, and you'll also be able to put the rear seats down, creating that much more added storage space if you need to. We also have the tinted windows in the rear and the rear side to ensure your passengers feel as private as possible. Moving on into the front, we are greeted by such an impeccable interior, what include the classic John Cooper Works steering wheel, as well as the John Cooper Works Super Sport seats, finished in cloth and Alcantara at the top, with the mechanical manual seat adjustment in the front. Now that concludes the 360 walk around about this stunning vehicle, and now it's time to take you more on an in-depth tour about the interior and technology inside. Jumping right inside, we've got the window as well as the door mirror controls, really accessible there to the drivers to get the mirrors in the perfect position, as well as the headlight control, so it's one less thing for you to worry about. But moving on to the John Cooper Works steering wheel, to the left hand side you'll be able to set and control your cruise control, so you'll have full control over your vehicle as it's never been easier, as well as on the right hand side activate voice control and answer any important hand-free calls on the go with the automatic wipers. This Mini Cooper has done 26,771 miles and comes with two sets of keys, which is incredibly low mileage for its age. As we move further onwards, in the centre of the cabin, we've got the 6.5-inch screen with the LED ring light around. Here, you'll be able to get up all the Mini connected devices, so you'll also be able to manage your connected devices also. Underneath My Mini, you'll also be able to get all the service history, media players, so be able to connect up your favourite devices via Bluetooth, and also use a DAB digital radio with an endless list of radio stations for you to choose from on your journeys. We do have also the communication, so you'll be able to answer any important hand-free calls on the go, so you'll never miss another important phone call again. Further down, we've got the manual air conditioning. It's really easy and accessible to you and your passenger in the front to acquire that perfect temperature on all your journeys. With the stop and start button in the centre, as well as the 6-speed manual gearbox, and the manual handbrake also, just to make driving as easy as possible. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this beautiful Mini Cooper hatch, which is a 1.5 petrol engine. If you are interested, please do call us on 01254 868 216 and a member of our team will be more than happy to help with a personalised finance quote, or if you would like to book it out for a test drive today.